How thick should your shaving be? It should be as thick as you need it to be, not as thin as you can make it. So this edge has lots of saw kerfs on it. The difference in height between the saw kerfs is fully a good 1.5 millimeters. If I set this thing to take a 1/1000th of an inch shaving, it's going to take me quite a number of passes to get through that 1.5 millimeters. If on the other hand, so I set it for 1/1000th, and you know, that's what we get. Very, very thin shaving sprinkled across the entire surface. It'll take me a lot of passes to get through those kerfs. Yeah, when I get down there, if I need the edge that fine, then yeah, for sure I should put it at 1/1000th. But if I'm taking off that thick of a saw kerf, maybe it'll be easier if I take a thicker shaving. Now, this shaving is Lego. This shaving is 17/1000 instead of 1/1000. So it's going to take me quite a few less passes to get through that 1.5 millimeters. That's about 1/2 millimeter, roughly speaking. So 2, 3 passes. 3 passes, and I'm through most of the saw kerfs. This is good and smooth here, and there's a little bit of tear out here where the grain reverses. But I'm not all the way down yet because the board isn't flat. It's getting flat. So let's take a couple more of these thick shavings. Until we are through our unevenness. Almost there. Oy. Tighten down my vise very good. Okay, there we go. Even at that, even at 20/1000ths, it's taking me a good number of passes to get all the way through the unevenness. If I was doing 1/1000th of an inch, I wouldn't even be through the saw kerfs. Okay, that now took a continuous shaving down the entire length, an entire width. So that's good. Now, this is pretty smooth, and depending on what you want to do with it, you could leave it at that. Let's check and make sure that I got it square. Yeah, it's square to my reference surface. Square to my reference surface. And as you can see, it's flat all the way along. Now, at this point, I can back this off and grab it's one of those days. There we go. Grab a teeny little micro shaving and take out any last unevenness across the surface, giving us a surface that's accurate to within there. I love that case. Not. Okay, so these shavings are 3 1/1000s. That's not bad. It's probably more than good enough anyway. This is just really minor imperfections in the surface that we're getting rid of here. There we go, 1 full-length shaving, 2 full-length shavings. Okay, so as you can see, using your plane to take thicker shavings when you need it and thinner shavings to finish things off makes your work a lot easier and a lot faster.